Joey. Why are you dressed like this?
Because Salesman Joey is back in town.
I love it. What are you going to try to sell me today?
It just so happens I have something you, Professor Rena, are gonna love.
Ooh, what's that?
It's this math puzzle right here.
Oh, you are right. I am interested in math puzzles.
That is because a good salesman always knows his customer. That's right.
Very good. How about we read it?
Let's do it.
Okay, let's see. We are going to use a centimeter ruler today.
Oh, good.
And what we're going to do is we're going to measure the length of our desks and the length of a book.
How about that?
Yeah. Well, as it turns out, ladies and gentlemen in the classroom, your desk will have a different length than my desk, and your books will have a different length than my books. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure an image on this screen today, and then you're going to actually measure your own desk and your own book. Are we clear?
I love it.
All right. So first we're going to figure out in centimeters how long the desk is, and then calculate or measure how long the book is as well. Okay? And we'll answer some questions later. Let's take a look at the image that we have here. Here's the desk, here's the book, and we want to measure each of these things. So let's begin with measuring the desk.
Perfect.
Okay, now this is a centimeter ruler, and recall a centimeter ruler measures up to 30 centimeters.
Okay.
Up to 30. And it's very difficult for you to read, I'm sure, because these numbers are so small even for me to read. But I will just tell you that first what you do is you line up the first tick mark on the centimeter ruler, which will correspond with the number 0. So you'll see the line with the 0 underneath. You just line that line up with the edge of the desk. Okay, and then you go all the way to the last tick mark on the ruler. Not the edge of the ruler, but the last tick mark before the edge.
I get it.
Yeah, and that represents the number 30. That is 30 centimeters from the leftmost portion of the desk to this position. Okay, then what we're going to do, so we know that far is 30 centimeters, and then we're going to slide this over so that the 0 tick mark lines up right where we left off. And then we measure all the way to the edge. And as it turns out, all the way to the edge is another 30 centimeters.
Look at that.
It lines right up with the tick mark for the 30. So what does that mean for the length of our desk?
Well, we have 30 centimeters.
Yes.
And then we have another 30 centimeters.
Yes, and mentally, what is that? 30 plus 30?
Oh, 60?
That's right, because 3 plus 3 is 6. So 30 plus 30 is 60. Okay, so let's write that in on the previous slide. The desk is 60 centimeters wide. Okay, you ready to measure the book?
I am.
Great. All right, let's take a look now at measuring the book. We're going to take our centimeter ruler, and again, I'm going to line up the first tick mark, which corresponds to the number 0.
Yeah.
Okay, notice that I am not lining the edge of the book with the edge of the ruler. Actually, the ruler is sticking out just a little bit to the left because I'm lining it up with the first tick mark of 0. Okay?
Okay. Edge of the book up with the first tick mark on 0.
Well said. Good. And then we're going to see where the last tick mark is. It looks like it's at the number 20. Okay, so what that means is this distance right here from one edge to the other is 20 centimeters.
All right.
All right, let's go ahead and fill in the blank over here. The book measures 20 centimeters.
Yeah.
So, which is shorter?
Well, looks to me like the book is shorter because it's 20 centimeters.
That's right. Sure, and
60 is a greater number than 20.
yes, that's exactly right. And of course, if you looked at the picture, you would definitely agree that the book is shorter than the table, right?
Yeah. Of course I knew that.
For sure. But you're absolutely right. The book is shorter than the desk. Now, how much shorter is the book?
Oh. Well, we gotta figure that out.
Yeah, we do. So how about we do this mentally? How are we going to do this mentally?
Well, you have to subtract it, right?
Exactly right, Joey. Yes. So we're going to subtract 60 minus 20.
Okay.
Mentally, what is that?
It will be 40.
40. That's exactly right, because we know 6 minus 2 is 4. 60 minus 20 is 40. So how much shorter is it? 40 centimeters. Centimeters.
That's a fun word
right.
to say, Professor Rena.
It sure is. Well done. Good job.
Hey, so, do I have a sale then?
Oh. Joey, as it turns out, I already have this puzzle.
What?
I do.
Oh, well, what am I going to do with a secondhand math puzzle?
You could sell it to someone else?
Well, I'm a good salesman for sure, but I don't know if I'm that good. Oh. I'll tell you what, I'll even throw in the answer for free.
Joey, I already have the answer.
We have to negotiate about this, so have fun, everyone.